Alright guys, here we go. This is the randomization for the Mini 1. Mini 2 will be right after this, but in a separate video so I can post the links accordingly. So this one here, the top 3 spots on the final roll or randomization will win. Where am I here? There we go. Alright, so we've got Tracy, Mike, Blair, and Chris in on this one. Again, first gets 2 spots, second and third each get a spot. So, best of luck to you guys. Copy that over. New giveaway. McDavid jersey Mini 1. Alright. Here we go. Dice roll. Is 9. We got 9 goes. Alright, here we go. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And final round. Top 3s are Chris, Tracy, and Chris. Congratulations. Jump in onto the main and pick your spots or ask for random, whichever you prefer, and we will hopefully fill that up either today or tomorrow, hopefully. So thanks again, everybody, and we'll see you soon.